Back on the $500 Monte Carlo, and we have washed it, we've cleaned it, and now guess what we're doing? Don't pay attention to my code reader, that wasn't in here, but this is the way the inside of the car. Let me get some light over here, put some light on the subject. This is why some cars, I take the seats all the way out when I'm cleaning them. And this is one example here. I got some free money, so I can take that off the price of the car. Those might be rare coins, but this is why I don't clean cars like this without taking the... I pretty much take the front seats out, and now look, I can get to all this stuff that's been under here for years. And it doesn't really look as bad as it looks. Well, it looks pretty bad. But look, man, here's what I understand. Look, I'm on the footwell. How the shit do you get grease all up there? Your foot don't even fit up there. Damn, some nasty people, man. But anyway, let's go to the passenger side. Look at this, man. Let's just climb in this nice, wonderful vehicle. Now, as you see, this is a filthy car. No, this car needs sanitation, man. Look at this. But before I even clean the carpets, watch how much better it looks when I vacuum it. And I'm gonna show you, as you see all this crud here, you just can't get to this stuff when the seats are in here. You know, you just can't. He got cheese doodles and mouthwash and everything else. You can tell a lot about people by their car. These was probably some big fat people that own the car. There's a lot of sweets and stuff up in here. But I'm not going to even open this box here, man. I'm not ready for that yet. I'm scared to see. Y'all want to see what's in there? All right, hold on. Let me put down the lamp. You know, I only got 2 hands and 3 feet. Okay. Not bad. There goes his gym membership. Ooh, look, a rare nickel. That one's worth $5 million. Nah, but anyway, we're going to start cleaning out this 2001. I would call it the Monte Carlo, but because I paid $500 for it and I was driving it today, I'm going to call it the Monte Carlo. Maybe I'll paint it green and gold, you know, money, green for the money and gold for the honeys, and put me some wire wheels on it. But anyway, this is going to be the end of this video. I just wanted to show you when you're dealing with these $500 cars, your number one value gainer. You want to make, I want to turn it into a $3,500 car. And what you want to do, other people will say, man, I'm just going to go to the vacuum and vacuum it out. Man, you can't get all that stuff, all that grind. Look at this. You got to do, man. When I say clean, we remove the seats. Sometimes I even remove the console, but this one I'm not. But, you know, we're going to get them rubber bands and all. I mean, this is just nasty, man. Come on, man. Would you want to spend the night in this car? Anyway, we're going to get to work, and we're going to come back and show you what you do with these cars. And it doesn't take that long. It actually took me, I looked at a YouTube video because I didn't want to be searching for bolts. And I said, how do you remove the seats out of Monte Carlo, or the Monte Carlo? And they told me how to do it. And it's only these 2 rear bolts. There's no bolts in the front, just these 2 rear. And then you tilt the seat up. Of course, my driver's seat is electric. So you tilt it up and you slide it back out of these little contraptions there. And that's how the seat goes in. But believe it or not, I'm going to put on my white gloves, my latex gloves, and I'm gonna pick that money out of there and put it in my coin jar, and we gonna finish this car up. And we got one more item to do. What's this right here? Man, it's just some nasty people, man. I'm gonna be in here shouting. I mean, I need to call the carpet cleaners, huh? Jeez. We call Mako, man. Come clean my carpet. But anyway, let's get this bad boy going, because believe it or not, this car is gonna be ready in a couple days. I'll see you on the next video. Thanks for watching the No Start Garage. And that's because everything that comes here don't start. This was a no start, but it's running like new money now. I'll see y'all in the next video. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, man, and, you know, put a like on me. Help me help you.